Well, this is day one of the restoration of a 1990 ZX-10. As you can see, I've taken all the fairings off. The previous owner said there was no compression in cylinders 2 and 3. So I've taken, looks like it's been put down a couple times. There's you can see some scratches down here on a crankcase. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. There's also a fair amount of oil. Looks to be coming out of the valve cover gasket, mostly on cylinders 1, 2, and 3. I would show you the gas tank. It has a fair amount of rust in it, so I'm going to have to do a rust remover. Probably replace most of the plastic. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. Not really much to see at this point. Check back for more videos.